Good morning, my dear students. Grade 3. How are you today? Today we will complete our lesson How do scientists communicate? Today is Sunday, 12 April 2020. All of you open your books and write the date grade 3, pages 317, 318, 319. Lesson objectives. To conduct an investigation, gather information, and communicate the results of investigation to others. Today we will complete our lesson about keep records. The scientists, when they finish uh, make their experiments, they keep records. When scientists investigate, they do the same experiment several times. This is, we call it, when they repeat their experiment, each time is called a trial. Scientists keep careful records of their results for each trial. Now, there are many ways to keep records. You can use numbers, words, draw a picture, draw a map, chart, or paragraph. I will show you now example how. Chart is a way to organize what you record. So a chart is a kind of list. Now I will show you chart. A graph is a way to organize data. Paragraph is a graph that help you compare data and see patterns. Now this is observation, the chart. We write the date, okay, and here we write the room temperature and we write starting water temperature. We have three jars. If you remember the experiment, one jar has fake fair, okay, we repeat it 2 times, brown paper and blue paper. We take the temperature each time. Now, paragraph. This is a paragraph. Time for water temperature here. Here type of material. Fake fair, brown paper, blue paper. 2 times we repeat each one. Now keep records. When scientists investigate, they do the same experiment several times. Each time, who tell me what we call each time? Trial. Excellent. Scientists keep careful records of their results for each trial. You can keep records in many ways. You can use numbers or words. Sometimes an easy way to record what happened is to draw a picture or a map. Now, a chart is a way to organize what you record. What is the meaning of a chart? A chart is a kind of list. You can also use a graph to organize data. A bar graph is a graph that helps you compare data and see patterns. Who can read for us question number 5? Explain why are there two rows for each type of materials in the chart below? There were two trials and one row goes with each trial. Now here, question number 6, and I want another one to read it. Express data. Use your science notebook to draw a picture and write about the experiment. Here we have a paragraph. Okay. All of you complete here, please. The brown paper, next time it's 9. Blue paper also 10. Now share your investigation. So we make scientist meeting where they might talk about their work, write an article that describe their investigation and conclusion, computers and the internet, where scientists keep records and they can easily send their data to other scientists. So by scientific meeting, write an article or computer and the internet. Now, scientists share procedures, data, and conclusions with one another. They do this different ways. Now, also we write report, write a journal entry, presentation in front of class, create a poster, create an exhibit, and create portfolio to display a procedure and what is learned. Now here we have a picture here. You see here this boy, he shows his classmates this uh, tree. Now interpret. The boy in the picture is communicating what might be telling his classmate. He might be telling them about the leaves on the tree. So this boy tells his classmate about about leaves on the tree. Scientists from better explanation when they share information. Now repeat an investigation. Scientists each other work. One scientist will repeat another scientist experiment so they can compare evidence and explanation. What is the meaning of an explanation? An explanation is considered if another person can follow the procedure and get similar results. If two scientists follow the same procedure and get different results, then they discuss why there is something in the experiment. They can use this information to make the procedure better for the next scientist. Now, question number 10. Analyze why would scientists want other scientists to repeat their experiments? The answer is excellent. They could compare their results with the result of other scientists get. So they want to compare between each other their experiment. Now go it. Summarize. Name 4 ways scientists keep records. Who can tell me what is it, the 4 ways? Okay. Write, draw, make charts, and make graphs. Now question number 12. What information should the procedure include? A procedure should include description of the materials you will use and the steps you will follow and the units of measure you will use. Now I want to show you here a video.
Communication is an important part of science investigations. Scientists communicate with each other to share what they learn. When scientists share information in this way, their explanations are more thorough and better informed. Keeping good records makes it easy to communicate with others. Scientists keep good records when they write their procedure for an experiment. A procedure is a plan for testing a hypothesis. Scientists also keep records when they use graphs, charts, pictures, and even words to keep their data organized. A chart is a kind of list. This chart shows different types of materials and water temperature. This type of record is a bar graph. Bar graphs help you compare data and see patterns. Records are also important to help scientists form and discuss scientific explanations. A good explanation uses as much evidence as possible. The better the records, the more evidence scientists have to explain things. Got it? Sure you do.
Thank you, my dear students, for your listening. And tomorrow we have another new lesson.